Hold it right there. All right, bring the forks in. Watch your clearance on the right. Check the moisture right here by these knots. It's good, looks solid.
Only wood meeting strict standards continues forward.
Confirming graphite shipment, lot number 42. Verified. We are clear to connect the lines.
Graphite quality determines the performance of every pencil.
Proper storage preserves the quality of every raw material.
Consistent raw materials ensure consistent pencil performance.
The balance between graphite and clay determines hardness and darkness.
All systems verified. Synchronization is stable. Confirmed. Ready for production. Authorized start of manufacturing.
Precision cutting transforms raw wood into usable pencil slats.
The cedar slats enter the drying chambers, where precise heated airflow systems activate, ensuring
humidity levels are optimal. Confirmed. The next batch is ready for transfer.
The graphite and clay mixture is extruded through precision dies, forming long, continuous strands of lead. The encapsulation press ensures the graphite is perfectly centered within the wooden casing before moving to the shaping section.
Check the core stability on row 4.
Looks solid. The compression held steady. Here at the quality inspection stage, automated systems check for uniformity. Any defective items are swiftly removed before branding. From raw timber, a functional writing instrument is born.
Every pencil must meet exact writing standards.
Laser alignment systems verify branding position and pencil symmetry, ensuring perfect consistency before final marking.
The mechanical rigs simulate writing pressure to test graphite performance. Only validated pencils move forward.
Every detail is refined to ensure perfect writing performance.
Now every processed element comes together as a complete product.
With a quick scan, the logistics system registers the outgoing batch. The inventory is now confirmed and ready for distribution.
From individual components, a complete writing tool is now ready.
Even finished products undergo final verification.
The smallest flaw is never ignored.
Every surface is perfected before approval for global distribution.
Before approval, every batch enters strict quality control. The core must be perfectly centered for consistent writing.
To ensure durability, pencils undergo rigorous impact testing. Here, a slow-motion drop simulation measures resistance against industrial surfaces.
The true measure of a pencil is how it writes. Only after passing the rigorous abrasion test do the pencils move to the next stage.
Our state-of-the-art laboratory systems meticulously test every pencil coating and graphite composition.
Only perfection leaves the quality control floor. Now the product enters its final commercial form.
All checks passed on Unit 4B. Good. Sign off and clear it for departure.
From the factory floor, the finished products are continuously moved toward the export terminals for global shipment. Global distribution begins at the heart of the logistics yard.
Utilizing a strategic highway network, this convoy of trucks carries thousands of pencil shipments toward the primary logistics hub for distribution.
The final shipment of pencils is loaded, ready for export across the ocean. Millions of pencils now begin their journey to the world. Final approval is granted. The shipment is cleared for global dispatch. And this is how millions of pencils are transformed from raw materials into tools used across the world.